14-11 is our score. It is a 3-point lead for PLDT MyDSL. After, of course, Bingo Millonario got the first set. So this is interesting. Oh, rotation violation will be called here against Bingo Millonario. Apparently, somebody was not at their spot, and
normally you can only move once the ball has crossed the net, and in this case they might have moved already.
That's right. So now a 4-point lead for PLDT MyDSL as that attack goes long, and it's getting worse now for Bingo Millonario as we head into the second technical timeout. Bingo Millonario is down by 5, 16-11 for PLDT MyDSL. And let's listen to Ronald Dulay.
Sir, masyado ka nakalubog dun eh. Lakihan mo yung sakop mo. Ha? Para makareceive tayo, lakihan mo yung sakop mo para makatake yung nasa harapan. At kaya nasa harapan mo.
Take mine!
Go, go, go! Sige!
While you're taking a look there at Michelle Gumabao, she's actually been very consistent pagdating sa attacking for Bingo Millonarios. The thing is, she doesn't really have much support. Iris Patrona, number 6 on your screens, has supported her. There's, of course, Ate Ivy. But they need to get